Are you ready to discover a world of untapped potential and recession-proof your income stream? In today's challenging economic landscape, having multiple revenue streams is essential for financial security, and leveraging the power of AI can unlock exciting opportunities like never before. Welcome to AI Techscape, where we'll explore 6 proven AI side hustles you can start today to supercharge your earnings and open doors to unimaginable opportunities. From AI-driven business consulting to captivating custom coffee mugs and pet-centric platforms, we'll guide you through the innovative world of AI-powered side hustles. Join us on this thrilling journey as we navigate the AI Techscape together. With AI by your side, your path to success starts now. Number 1. Business Consulting. AI can provide answers to virtually any inquiry you may have. Armed with this knowledge, you may wonder how to implement and monetize this technology. People value the expertise of consultants who offer targeted solutions to specific problems. Establishing your own consulting business presents significant scalability opportunities. By incorporating ChatGPT into your operations, you essentially acquire an internet-powered superpower that aids you in assisting others. For instance, imagine someone seeking guidance on identifying areas to reduce business spending. They might approach you seeking advice on whether cutting marketing expenses would be advantageous. In situations where you're unsure of the best response, ChatGPT can offer logical and unbiased opinions, ensuring well-informed recommendations for effective decision-making. Whether you aim to expand your existing consulting agency or embark on a new venture leveraging on your expertise from different fields, start by identifying the immediate skill set you can provide clients. Market this expertise to reach your target audience and leverage AI such as ChatGPT to refine and enhance your consultancy services, ultimately becoming a more proficient business operator or side hustler. Number 2. Customized coffee mugs. Amidst the industries commonly associated with recession success, it's important to remember that there is still demand for essential items. This includes products like coffee mugs, which people are often willing to invest in for ones they truly love instead of opting for cheaper alternatives from Amazon or IKEA. Surprisingly, even seemingly ordinary products can generate substantial revenue. It's all about identifying a market niche where you can make a difference. AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E can assist in creating fresh and customized designs for these items. By partnering with platforms like Printful, a print-on-demand service, you can offer custom-designed mugs without the need to manage inventory, ensuring a seamless delivery process for your customers. Number 3. A blog for pets. In recent years, the pet industry has experienced a steady annual growth rate of 6%, and the lockdowns imposed during the pandemic have further amplified this growth. This indicates a significant opportunity within the pet industry, particularly for businesses catering to dog owners dedicated to providing their furry companions with essential products. However, it's important to acknowledge that the pet industry is highly competitive, with numerous products vying for consumer attention. Instead of investing substantial resources into creating the next groundbreaking pet product, only to discover it may not succeed, focusing on maximizing return on investment while minimizing financial risks is advisable. By carefully evaluating product ideas and identifying opportunities with high potential for success, you can make a strategic decision that allow you to thrive in the pet industry without incurring unnecessary research, development, and manufacturing expenses. One of the greatest methods to keep generating money off of anything you may have is to start a blog or an Instagram account dedicated to your pet. Whether you own a pet or know someone who does, you might explore the possibility of turning that animal's online presence into a revenue stream by developing a personal brand. Moreover, you can generate income through various means such as affiliate marketing and ad revenue if you choose to create a YouTube channel and promote products related to your pet blog or Instagram account. However, It's important to note that executing this idea may present challenges, especially if you don't currently own a dog. Even after having a dog, immediately amassing a substantial following is not guaranteed. For example, let's consider running an Instagram account for your dog. By utilizing AI tools such as ChatGPT and DALL-E, you can enhance your content creation process and captivate your audience. ChatGPT can assist you in brainstorming engaging captions, responding to comments, and providing creative ideas for your posts. Furthermore, DALL-E can generate unique and eye-catching images or designs featuring your adorable pet, helping your content stand out and attract more followers. With AI algorithms, you can refine your approach, optimize your content strategy, and increase the chance of building a loyal and engaged community around your pet blog or Instagram account. Over time, consistent and quality content, combined with the power of social media algorithms of TikTok and Instagram, can potentially lead to lucrative brand collaborations and an expanding follower base, contributing to the success of your pet-focused online platform. Number 4. AI Writing Review. In today's digital age, many individuals aspire to become influencers, launching their YouTube channels or blogs. However, having a third party assess your work is always helpful to guarantee clarity and tone. This is where ChatGPT proves beneficial. Writers can submit their work for feedback and engage with ChatGPT through various prompts. The primary objective is to assist individuals with refining their tone, enhancing spelling, improving structure, and addressing other related aspects. Notably, ChatGPT offers the advantage of accommodating highly specific prompts, enabling tailored guidance. In addition, the usefulness of these sorts of side gigs is not limited to the field of writing. Rather, they can be employed in many different areas. For instance, if someone seeks language tutoring or desires to enhance their English diction, ChatGPT can be creatively leveraged to support their progress. Number 5. Automated Web Development Firm. In 2023, a significant number of local businesses still need more online presence. Hence, this year is especially promising for young people since you can aid the success of many older businesses that have not yet fully embraced digital marketing strategies like social media and website development. If you possess technical expertise and leverage AI tools effectively, you can have the potential to witness significant financial success. Consider the numerous business owners who have outdated websites. By utilizing AI, you can rebuild their websites at a fraction of the cost. This enables you to provide them with a cost-effective solution while generating substantial revenue. Now, when you want to establish an automated web development company, you can harness the power of AI to revolutionize the process of creating and enhancing websites for businesses. By incorporating AI tools and algorithms, you can offer a range of services that enable businesses to establish a strong online presence, engage their target audience, and drive success in the digital realm. One of the services you can provide is AI-powered website design. With AI tools like Jimdo or Wix, you can generate visually appealing and user-friendly website layouts tailored to the unique preference and branding of each client. By analyzing existing website designs, user preferences, and industry trends, AI can create customized designs that captivate visitors and enhance user experience. AI also streamlines the process of customizing color schemes, fonts, and images, saving time and effort for both your team and the client. Your services will help businesses improve online presence and open up a new avenue for growth thanks to your technical expertise and the power of AI. With AI-powered website design, you can deliver cost-effective, visually stunning websites that offer seamless content management. And number 6, children's coloring books. When people have less money to spend, they will look for ways to save money anywhere they can. Therefore, Rather than visiting high-end luxury stores like Louis Vuitton, individuals with practical judgment tend to prioritize the well-being of their family, children, and loved ones. Books hold significant importance among the various essential items and fundamental requirements that parents purchase for their kids. Particularly when considering the different genres of books available, delving into the realm of kids' coloring books proves to be an excellent starting point. The reason behind this is evident when observing various Etsy stores, where one particular store was able to generate almost $5,000 per month solely from the sale of coloring books. However, offering additional items alongside coloring books makes it possible to significantly increase the average order volume. As a result, this expansion in product variety enables a substantial boost in profits that can be obtained from each transaction, ultimately leading to greater financial gains. Now, it is important to recognize that the design process of making children's coloring books does require a significant amount of time and effort. This is when AI starts to show its true potential. The first step in selling something is making it. You may utilize DALL-E for that. And when you're done with choosing your design and aesthetic, you can use platforms such as Lulu or Mixsum.com, which offer print-on-demand services specifically for coloring books. These platforms provide a range of options, including various sizes and book formats, allowing you to customize the coloring book to suit your preferences. Now, you might be wondering about the practical aspects of receiving orders and effectively marketing your product. This is where platforms like Etsy prove to be advantageous. Etsy is a popular marketplace where many people go to discover unique and custom-designed products. Despite not personally purchasing from Etsy, it's important to note the significant number of monthly visitors and daily sales it generates. This makes Etsy an excellent platform for showcasing and selling your custom-designed coloring books. It offers a wide reach and access to a global audience, providing an opportunity to connect with potential customers from all over the world who are actively seeking unique and personalized products. And when you're ready, publish your coloring book to the public. Your only other concern should be fulfilling customer orders as they come in. Additionally, you may want to explore dropshipping your products to customers. I know this is a lot of work, but there are tools available that can streamline the process even further. For instance, platforms like Zapier can automate various steps involved in the dropshipping workflow, reducing manual effort. Moreover, you can utilize services like MailChimp or ConvertKit for marketing and customer communications, and you can leverage AI-powered tools like ChatGPT for assistance with tasks such as generating design ideas and more. This integration of AI technology allows for enhanced productivity and efficiency in managing your dropshipping business, freeing up your time to focus on other essential aspects of your venture. If you find yourself still inspired by this kind of business, you can explore other similar products for kids instead of focusing solely on coloring books. Conducting product research is as simple as typing in keywords like kids on Etsy, where you'll discover a lot of different options. From there, you can refine your search by sorting the results based on popularity or items that align with your interest and creative vision. By performing even these basic things, you're gaining invaluable knowledge on launching a business or creating a profitable side hustle. And from there, you get knowledge and experience that might help you launch your own business or perhaps an agency down the road. Thank you for watching these 6 proven AI side hustles. Please show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more exciting AI content as we continue to explore, learn, and navigate the ever-evolving AI techscape together.